Hello, my name is Joshua, and this is my Business Programming Concepts Project 1 final product. So I decided to make a GUI. This here is the panel, the window that is first shown when you open the program. You notice these tabs up here. Each of them correspond to their own panel. So we have a books panel, a members panel, and a borrows and returns panel. Each of these panels will have a label signifying what the status is of the page, depending on the actions you choose. We have our action buttons over here that we use to interact with the data within the database. Right here we have all the information from the database printed out in a nice format to be a report. So let's test out one of these actions, shall we? Let's test out add book. We will add the Iliad by Homer. Book does have an edition. We'll say the first edition. Now, I know first edition of Homer's Iliad is very rare, so we'll confirm. And you know what? You're right. It's a fake. There's nothing in it. It's completely blank. It's useless to the library. So we don't want it in our database anymore. We go over here to delete book. The Iliad is 42. So we enter the ID of 42. And there we go. The Iliad is no more. Some other cool things we have here is the find book. You can search by several different criteria. I'm going to choose author. Let's search for books written by Tolkien. And there we go. 4 books written by J.R.R. Tolkien. Pretty cool. We also have these two methods here. The first one here will generate a report, sorting it in the order you specify, like so. We'll sort by title, listing all. And there we go, sorted by title. You can also generate report, which is just a quicker way of doing it. It will automatically sort it by ID. And we have this nifty little save thing here. This will save what's in your text area to a text file. See, it's saved right here. Open it up. There we go. All our data right in a little text file. We can send it to someone in an email or whatever you want. We also have this nifty little print button. The print button obviously prints out, but since you can't see what's being printed out, I'll just cancel that. Okay, quickly here on the members page, we have this nifty make payment button. That's about the only thing different from the book page. And so we see here that Grover Holloway owes $18. So Grover Holloway is ID 4. And he owes $18, but he pays with a 20. And there you go. His fields have been updated. He has no fees due. And the status panel tells us that he gets $2 in change. Pretty cool. The borrow panel is the same mostly. You can borrow a book, return a book. You can list all of the open borrows, which are borrows that have not been returned yet. Or you can list all borrows, all the borrows that have happened, returned or not returned. And also we have the save, print, and quit. So there it is, my Project 1 work. Thank you for listening, and good night.